Hi, everyone. Welcome back to ViWizard's YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove DRM from your Audible books quickly and easily, so you can listen to them anywhere. Let's get started. Audible books come with DRM protection, which means you can only listen using the Audible app or authorized devices. But what if you want more freedom, like listening on a non-Audible device or backing up your books? That's where Audible DRM removal comes in. I'll be using ViWizard Audible Audiobook Converter. It lets you remove DRM and convert Audible books to MP3, FLAC, and other formats. Once you've installed the app, go ahead and launch it. To add your Audible files, click the Add Files button in the top left corner, or simply drag and drop them in. To customize your book, click the Edit icon. You can split the audiobook by chapters or by time. You can also adjust the narration speed, pitch, and volume.
From our studios in New York City, this is
Charlie Rose.
This week, Time Magazine released.
Even edit the metadata info if you'd like. Next, head down to the Format panel in the bottom left corner and choose the format you want. You can tweak the audio settings like codec, sample rate, or bit rate. Or just choose a preset for high quality or smaller file size. Now, hit the Convert button to start removing the DRM from your Audible books. When it's done, click the folder icon at the top to find your DRM-free files. You can now play them in Windows Media Player or transfer them to any device. And if you check the file properties, you'll see they're now in an open, unrestricted format. If you're looking for more options to remove Audible DRM, check out the full guide linked in the description. And if you run into any issues, drop a comment below. I'm happy to help. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.